Welcome back. Our pattern today is going to be forward, back, side hesitations. That's forward, back, side hesitations, okay? So let's jump right in. We're going to go to closed position. I'm going to give you this angle first, okay? Starting with your left foot, gentlemen, ladies right. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty straightforward, yes? Now let's move to the right, gentlemen. Put my back to you. Ladies, you're opposite in your footwork. You're going to start with your right foot, ladies, gentlemen, left, and go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very nice. So let's just go ahead and give you an angle from here, just in case. Ready? Start with your left foot, gentlemen, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Now we're going to put the ladies back to you. So ladies, you can actually see her footwork from that angle. Okay. So we have from this angle, gentlemen's left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. So you have 4 different angles right there, so you shouldn't have any problem figuring this pattern out, okay? So take your time. Again, if you do any music with this, as far as tempo, it can change the speed of how fast you walk through it. Other than that, just practice together. You can practice separate. You learn by yourselves as well. Watch this tape, as many of the others, over and over and over. Stop whenever you want to and learn at your pace, okay? We'll be right back with the next pattern.